Welcome to the Star Industries mini skid steer frame. We offer this as a class 1 with either a 36-inch or 42-inch fork length option, rated at a 2,800 pound capacity. One thing we pride ourselves in is just building stuff very tough. And this fork frame looks very similar to our full-size heavy-duty skid steer frame, with an extremely strong ITA carriage bar, structural angle, all 100% welded, and a very strong 3/8 horizontal section that supports the lower portion of the frame, giving that vertical strength that you need to be able to pick up heavy loads. This, like many other attachments from Star Industries, is offered with an industry-leading 5-year warranty.